Today is the first day of spring planting. Someone left deep, muddy footprints in the garden. Stay with Marta to the end of this story and learn how to use neighbors and gardens words. Marta looks at a big red tomato. She puts the tomato into her round basket. She wipes her hands. But something is wrong. Her favorite shovel is not there. Where is it? She sees muddy footprints pointing away. She hits the ground with an old shovel. She drops the shovel and follows the mud. Marta drops the useless old shovel. She marches straight toward the neighbor's house. Marta walks fast down the narrow path. But she steps in some wet mud. She grabs a tree branch. She sees the gate. Marta reaches the tall wooden gate. She pushes the heavy wood with both hands. But the gate is locked. She needs a new way. Marta walks along the dusty stone wall. But a wild, thorny bush blocks her way. A sharp branch catches her dress. She stops. Marta pulls her arm out of the sharp bush. She looks down at the dry grass. But she sees a green glove in the dirt. Marta stands on the clean stone path. She wipes her dirty hands firmly on her apron. But the house is quiet. She steps forward. Marta reaches the clean front path, but a large dog blocks the way. A large brown dog stands up in the grass. But the dog barks loudly at her. Marta waves her hand at the barking dog. She steps off the clean path into the dirt. But a deep puddle covers her shoe. She stops. Marta pulls her muddy foot out of the water. But the thick mud ruins her shoe. She angrily stomps on the stone. A noise echoes. The loud stomp scares the big dog away. Marta breathes out. The path is finally clear. But her shoe leaves dirty marks on the steps. Marta raises her heavy fist. Marta stands on the dark front porch. Her face is red. She makes a tight fist. She bangs loudly on the front door, but the thick wooden door does not open. She swings her arm back very fast.
But her foot slips on the step.
The basket falls. The red tomatoes smash. She stares at the mess. Her shoulders drop. The heavy door opens. Mateo smiles at her. He holds Marta's favorite shovel in the light. But the blade is clean and shiny now. He cleaned it perfectly. Marta sits and smiles. She says thank you to Mateo. Wait, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Now some new words from today. Listen and repeat. Basket, basket. Footprint, footprint. Fence, fence. Shovel, shovel. Mud, mud. Gate, gate. Bush, bush. Glove, glove. Dog, dog. Step, step. You listened, you learned. Please leave a comment. This is More Lingua, English. Watch next.